Hey guys, welcome Technical Video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about some of the great and amazing keyboard application for your iOS devices. So let's start the video and let's see. So guys, here the main focus will be on how easy and well to use they are and the features which are available with the keyboards which are helping you to work more or give more out of the keyboard. So guys, now if you talk about using Grammarly application as a keyboard on your devices, if you see here, it has very simple layout just like your iOS devices or iPhone devices keyboard, right? But it is very helpful because if you type anything wrong word, any wrong word, it will correct you. And typing, if you have done any mistake, okay, it will automatically display okay as a grammatical mistake, and it will let you correct the mistake on your typing error. So now talking about the second keyboard, that is your Microsoft SwiftKey keyboard. Yes guys, this application has been there for very long time, right, and very well known. So if you see here, once you open the application, you will see that it is a complete package for you, right? So themes, languages, settings, etc. So it is totally customizable for all the devices and it is completely free. So if you see here, all the themes which are shown on screen are completely free and which you can activate anytime you want to use them. To activate any third-party keyboard on your devices, just hard press on globe icon and just choose your keyboard. So now here we on SwiftKey keyboard, right? So guys, if you see here, the layout of all the keyboards, they are almost similar, almost common to each other. But the main thing which makes your keyboard application as a great one, that is your features available in the keyboard application. For the Swift key, just tap on the plus icon at the left side. If you tap on the left side plus icon, there are the options available for you like a GIF, okay, scan or click photo and send, or the more option like a click on I button. Once you tap on the eye icon, if you see here, there are options available for you, right? More. So just one of them is change theme. If you tap on the change theme, it is a completely free theme store available for you to change the theme on your keyboard, right? You can choose any one of them and you can use it. So if you once selected, if you go back, if you see here, it is a keyboard for you. I feel using this keyboard with amazing theme. You can also use features like your GIFs, right? GIFs. So if you want to search any GIF, just tap on the GIF option. Okay, go ahead, search the GIF and send it to person, right? So it's completely available freely for you with this keyboard. Now, lastly, talking about the best one or the best keyboard for your devices, that is your Gboard or a Google keyboard. If you see, it is completely freely available on the App Store. So guys, I know many people know about this keyboard, okay, but those who don't know, okay, those who don't use it, let's see what are the new features available in this keyboard, right? Once you open the application, if you see here, it is simple layout, right, with a completely detailed options. Talking about first feature, that is your themes. So if you see, there are n number of themes available for you completely free, and they are very unique and they are very great one. If you see, a simple gradient theme will make your keyboard look amazing. Secondly, that is your keyboard setting. So there is each and every setting available about your keyboard which you can use it or you can disable or enable however you want to use it, right? So there is everything available for you to use it. Talking about how actual Google keyboard works or looks, if you see here, once you activate Google keyboard, it is how amazing it is looking, right? So if you see the theme, it looking really amazing and awesome, and it is very simple layout just like your iOS keyboard, but the experience of typing is really cool and amazing. So the sounds or the vibration while typing the keyboards is really amazing. Okay, it is actually giving you vibration while typing the words in this keyboard. And other than that, there are amazing other features available here. But here I will say that it is not just a keyboard or a typing application. Here it is completely browser for you or completely Google for you. If you see, if you tap on the Google icon, it will open completely browsing, translation, YouTube or anything for you. If you see here, you can search your queries here. Okay, you can translate any language you want to translate. You can browse YouTube just from a keyboard, right? It is so amazing for you. So while chatting, if you want to search something, you can directly search from Google keyboard easily, okay, without closing your chatting application or a keyboard, then going back to browser and searching it. Okay, it is easily available in the keyboard itself. Similarly, you can translate any word you want to translate. Okay, search your YouTube, search maps, anything can be done here just from your keyboard itself, right? So easily available just like your browser in your keyboard application. So guys, I hope this was a helpful video for you, and if you like this video, please give it a like and please subscribe for more awesome videos on iPhone tips and tricks, iPhone customization and iOS solutions. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.